Welcome to mytestpreparation.com. This demo will guide you through the process of using the platform to the best of your advantage, as it is said that one step taken in the right direction makes the difference. Accordingly, it's not the practice that counts, but what you practice is the right step that matters and make the difference your individual endeavor to succeed in your respective exam. mytestpreparation.com's questions and tests have been scientifically designed and developed along with the finely graded questions and tests keeping this logic in forefront. The platform encompasses the right mix of tests and questions arranged to logically correct complexity levels to give you the best practice platform. It further helps you gauge, measure, test, and significantly improve the levels of your preparation in true perspective, and finally enables you to succeed meritoriously. Now you can join here by this putting your name here as this way, and email ID as you have the email ID, you just put here. Now the mobile number, the 10-digit mobile number you have to put, so like this, and the category of exam. While selecting the category of exam, this will blink a while because the other field subcategory has to be filled up. In the subcategory format, you have to select which type of exam. It's an entrance exam or recruitment exam. So it's an entrance exam that I have selected, and that selection which course or classes you selected here, like AIEEE I select here, and now join. If you click the join, the email will be sent to your email ID. Here it's registered successfully. We will send you the user ID and password to you on your email ID. Okay, now you go to your email ID like this. You just copy the username, as username and the password is the same thing, so you just copy it and paste at the place, like username is this and the password is also same. So now you log in, and the login page you have to activate your free test. So go, this is the login page, JEE AIEEE, where activate the free test. The user ID password is already existing. Now submit. Now AIEEE online exam started. On this, there is my last report is not available, so you can upload your photo here like this. Choose a photo, snapshot. You can select from any your desktop or wherever you have kept it. Like I have kept in one folder of desktop. Here it is, so I am using that photograph. Upload it. So now the AIEEE, now the logo is there, as you see. Your self assessor is here. Formality, create self tests. Now mathematics, physics, chemistry, what you want. Like mathematics, if you select, see algebra, trigonometry, set relations and functions, calculus, coordinate geometry and vectors, statistics and probability, whatever the, like in algebra there are complex numbers, quadratic number, and even here you can search like calculus, mathematical matrix, all these things are coming. So now the search is there. You can select multiple questions here, and L2 it's for the 11th and 12th obviously. Now mark the incorrect as the point, negative marking is there, and check availability and before you test. Now click here to quit this window. Difficult level is there. Okay, now you can start here, start the test. On starting the test, there are the questions you have to select, like if here I am using whatever the answers you feel, and as per the costings you proceed, and now submit. Now you have the mark sheet here. First mark is this: all the questions are incorrect. Now like this you can go for the other exams. Now IEEE topics is there. In this, total questions you have attempted, simulator is there, mock test you can give here, and report and analysis, whatever the things today I have given. The marks obtained is minus 75.75. Comparative study is there, where mock test there is nothing, so it's coming null. So it's all about, now you can change the password here also. Here the statistics you can see about your performance. Now you can change your password from here, this place, and the feedback you can post about it. Whatever things you feel about the exam and the website, you can share it with us. Thank you. Now you can log out from this place. And this system works and operates best with the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, as these browsers are suitable for representation of graphs and mathematical equations. So avoid Internet Explorer to go for this website. Thank you. Have a nice day.